Hello everyone, this is Swati Agrawal, Faculty of Mathematics, Oriental Institute of Science and Technology. Today I will explain the solution of algebraic and transcendental equation, which is the topic of the M3 BT301. The solution of the algebraic and transcendental equation can be divided into three parts: bisection method, regular Farsi method and Newton-Raphson method. I will explain the method of regular Farsi, that is regular Farsi method. The regular Farsi method is also known as false position method. This is the most oldest method for obtaining the real roots of a numerical equation fx is equal to 0. In this method, we choose 2 points x0 and x1 such that f of x0 and f of x1 are of opposite signs. Here is the working rule for the regular Farsi method. Suppose fx be an equation. Choose a and b, two consecutive numbers such that f of a and f of b has the opposite sign. Roots lies between, therefore the roots lies between a and b. Then by using the formula x is equal to a f of b minus b f of a whole divided by fb minus f of a, we can find the value of x1, x2 and so on, x3 and so on, xn. If x1 is positive, then we will choose the negative value and is a or b and vice versa. In this way, we have to calculate the value of x. When we get two same values up to 3 decimal place, then the last value is our required root. Here is a suitable example. If fx is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5, put x is equal to 0, f of 0 is equal to minus 5, then put x is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to minus 6, and now put x is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to minus 1, f of 3 is equal to 16. Since the value of 2 and 3 is equal to positive and negative, a gives us negative value and b gives us positive value. Therefore the roots lies between 2 and 3. Now by using the regular Farsi formula, x1 is equal to a f of b minus b f of a divided by f of b minus f of a, x1 is equal to 2 into 16 minus 3 into minus 1 divided by 16 minus 1. Substitute the value of a, b, f of b and f of a, which gives us 2.058823. Find the value of 2.058823. It gives us negative value. Therefore the roots lies between x1 and b. Now find the value of x2. Now substitute the value of x1 and b in the given formula and find the roots. The value of roots is 2.08127. Now substitute the value of 2.018127 in the given function and it gives us minus negative value. Therefore the roots lies between x2 and b again. Find the value of x3 in between x2 and b. It gives us 2.08963 and find the value of function 2.08963. It gives us negative value. Therefore the roots lies between x3 and b. Similarly x4, the value of the roots in between x3 and b, it gives us 2.09273. Here f of x4, that is 2.09273 is negative. Therefore the roots lies between x4 and b. Now x5, similarly x4 and b, substitute the value of x4 and b and it gives us 2.09387. Therefore, the roots 2.09387, roots lie between x5 and b. In the sixth approximation, the value is 2.09430. Therefore, the root size between again x6 and b, which is positive and negative value. Now the seventh approximation, the value is nearest 2.09445, which is nearest to the value of x6, 2.09430, 2.09445. Therefore, the roots of this equation be 2.09445 is the required solution of this function. Here is one suitable example, x cube minus 5x minus 7 is equal to 0, which lies between 2 and 3. Here we have the range 2 and 3 by the method of first position method up to 3 iteration. So fx is equal to 0. Here we have 2 and 3. The value of 2 is equal to negative and 3 is equal to positive. Therefore, roots lies between 2 and 3. In the first approximation, substitute the value of a, b, f of 2, f of 3, first position in the formula, and it gives us x1 is equal to 2.6429. Therefore, the root size between, find the function, the value of 2.6429, which gives us negative value. Therefore, the root size between 2.6429 and 3. In the second approximation, it gives us 2.7356, and the function, the value of the function is minus, that is negative value. So, root size between 2.7354 and 3. In the third approximation, it gives us 2.7461. Therefore, the required solution be 2.7461 be our required solution. Thank you everyone.